Alright, today we're going to show you how to make two different kinds of soy curls. One is a barbecue and one is a steak sauce marinated soy curl. Do you love soy curls?
Yeah.
Alright, can you pour half of the bag in each one of these bowls?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, I think that's enough. All right, there you go. Look how much is in there. Okay.
Well,
Is that a lot?
yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to add,
Some barbecue sauce.
this is steak sauce, but yeah, can you hold this? Or do you want to pour it? We're going to do half cup of each of these sauces. Come on, yeah, all the way up. There you go. Keep going. All right, perfect. All right, so this is the steak sauce one.
Whoa!
Is that cool?
Yeah.
And these new, well, I don't know how new they are, but we just found them. Primal Kitchen sauces that are really clean, ingredient list, organic, unsweetened, and they are actually vegan. If you look online, it does say vegan on the package. It does not. We're gonna have to talk to them about that. But they're both. We actually haven't tried either of these sauces, so they smell delicious though. Okay, now here's 1 cup of vegetable broth per bowl. Yep. All right, so 1 cup is right here. Don't sneeze in the soy curls.
Is that 1 cup?
That's good enough. All right, pour that in there, please.
1 cup in each one.
Yes. Actually, let's do. Yeah. Okay, perfect. There you go. Okay, we're just simply going to put lids on these and shake them up. Sadie, grab one. And this is kind of to stir everything up and get the flavor coated. And then we'll leave these out. We'll probably actually put them in the fridge probably just for a few hours and then cook them up. And we're excited. We're gonna have them with some grilled vegetables and all kinds of other awesome dishes, huh? You excited?
Yeah.
You love soy curls.